Hey guys, it's me Kenny. Today we are back. So today we are going to make elephant toothpaste. And when you have Google on the phone, ask Google how to make elephant toothpaste with the recipe. But make sure you ask your parents. Make sure you ask your parents too. We both say that. Okay. So now we're going to add dish soap in. And then now food coloring. How many globes?
4 or 5.
4 or 5. Or should I do it? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And funnel it out. To put the funnel in, shake it up. Shake it a little bit.
Ready?
It's ready. Oh. Whoa! That elephant toothpaste white. It's kind of like a white. We can feel it. Really?
You can touch it.
Ugh.
Okay, now do you want to see what the stronger one does?
Yep. Can you wash your hands? So now this one is a stronger one.
Okay, food coloring.
Now food coloring. This is the strong. Going in. Now a yeast.
Are you ready? Oh. I don't know if that makes a difference.
Shake it for a week.
Okay, ready guys?
Ready. What? Oh.
Well, it's a little thicker than the first one.
This one's huge. Whoa. It's like going on this side. Can you touch it? Oh, it's smooth. Look like kind of like poop. It feels brown. You look like a bunch of poop. It kind of smells like a bunch of open. It's still going. Look at it. Look at it. It's still going. Still going. How long the finger is still going? I guess it's leaking. No elephant is making this video except for one we cut up and put it in there. And guys, if you like our video, please subscribe and hit the like button and the bell. Bye. Bye.